Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix 365. Hope you have a wonderful day. So in today's video, let me walk you through how to make the app icon size smaller in Android phones. So let's get started. This app icon size can be changed under the theme settings or home screen settings. Here's the quick way to enter that. First, you need to be in home screen and hold press on home screen until you see the widgets option appears. Now tap on the settings button. Here you tap on more and scroll down and tap on icon size. As you can see now, my app icon size is set for maximum. So I'm going to draw and drag this to the left side to resize it into smaller size. So according to your needs, you can increase the size up to this or decrease it. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix 365 for more videos later on. Bye for now.